Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful, well-maintained 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story family home for sale. It sits on 0.35 acres of land. It is located in Ingleside, Mandeville. It consists of a large bedroom with bathroom on the ground floor, a powder room, laundry room, kitchen, dining room, double garage, and veranda. The first floor has the master suite, 2 other bedrooms, and another bathroom. There is a large family room, a balcony, and a deck overlooking the double garage. The backyard has several mature fruit trees, and the front of the house has space for making a beautiful garden. The house is located close to a gym and other recreational activities in a quiet, upscale neighborhood. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.